Hey everybody, today is April 23rd. Traditionally, this is the time of year right around here when I actually get a chance to see some Orioles come through. I'm going to be putting out my favorite Oriole feeder. I think the company that makes this feeder is Nature's House Erva tool. I actually bought it on Duncraft's website. They had free shipping on any purchase. This thing was $9. What I like about this feeder is it's pretty simple. Slide some oranges on here. I've got a couple there cut up. We're going to put these out. Now you got to be kind of careful so you don't poke yourself, but basically all I do is give it a good push, put an orange through. You can put it on all four sides, you can put grapes, you can put all kinds of stuff on here. What I usually do is just put an orange on each side, like so. The birds really like it, and the best thing is it's really easy to clean and it's easy to hang. It's got a big hook, it's all metal, holds up really well in the elements. Let's put it out, let's see if we get any Oriole action.